Hello guys, today the video will be a bit different. I am actually asking for your help. I recently bought this phone. It's an LG G7 ThinQ. I love the phone. I love all the options and what the phone can do. But I have one problem with this phone is it keeps dropping calls. So I've been searching on multiple forums on website and everybody have the same answer, which is the tower is too far, the signal's too weak, you're in the basement, badadi batata. But this phone has the option of Wi-Fi calling, which means I connect it to my Wi-Fi and wherever I go in the house, I have full signal strength from my Wi-Fi, and I have an excellent router, so there's no weak spot in my house. But the phone keep dropping calls, so please, those who will suggest the signal's weak, don't bother to comment, guys, because it's not the problem. I know it's not a problem, so please don't bother to comment and guessing solution. I don't want guess here because it's been 2 months since I received guess about this or that, but it doesn't fix the problem. So I'd rather have answers or suggestions from people who actually know what they're talking about. As I said, it's a great phone, but even if I put the phone on a table and talk on it with the speaker phone instead of putting it on my ear, it's still dropping calls. So it's not a matter of the proximity sensor having a bug or something like that, because it does the same thing when I'm on speakerphone and when the phone is on the table. So there's no way the proximity sensor is at fault on this situation. So if you have a solution for that, or if you have a suggestion or where forum that I should go, maybe I missed a forum, I think it's impossible at this point. So please, if you have any suggestion, let it in the comment section below, please. I will be very grateful. And as soon as I will find a viable solution, because I know I'm not alone in this situation, I will let you know. I will make a video update or update everybody in the comment section. I don't know, but I will update you if I find a solution for this problem. So anybody who have this same problem can have a fix as well. So this is it for now, guys. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell so you will be notified as soon as I will release a new video. So I wish everybody a great day and see you later.